For UPSC preparation, the revision strategy is most important because reading the sources alone won't help us in the exam hall at all. We have to have many revisions as much as possible. Coming to the prelim stage, what I think is that we have to stop reading new things before 1.5 months or 2 months. That would be much better. And in the last 1.5 to 2 months before examination, our focus must be revising the core concepts and keywords of the chapters. And apart from it, we have to join any test series, quality test series. We have to attempt it very promptly. And in the last 1.5 months, we have to revise those test questions, because an institute will be having around 30 to 40 tests, each test counting around 100 questions, and while piling up more than 4,000 questions we have. So we have to be very clear on the concepts of those 4,000 questions. So we have to revise in that way. The revision must be based on questions when we are nearing prelims. Similar way in mains, coming to the GS or optional, my sincere suggestion is that we can stop adding new things before 15 days or 20 days, because the mains is having a short time period of 60 to 70 days now. So we can stop adding new things before 15 days, and we have to have a gentle, calm revision of our own notes and the questions we have wrote in the test series, along with the keywords of every topic in the syllabus. For interview even, we have to prepare DAF based notes for us before the in the initial stage of the preparation. And in the nearing the interview date, before 1 week, we have to revise those DAF based notes, or else the new information which we had from the mock interviews which I have given. So this is the strategy I followed for revision.
Join Triumph IAS. Learn from Vikash Ranjan sir, trusted by IAS toppers for civil services exam preparation. हजारों यूपीएससी अभ्यर्थियों का भरोसा, विकास सर का मार्गदर्शन, अब आपकी बारी.
With Vikas Ranjan sir.
Vikas Ranjan sir.
Vikas Ranjan sir.
Vikas Ranjan sir.
विकास रंजन सर.
Vikas Ranjan sir.
Vikas Ranjan's point of
तो विकास रंजन सर की
Vikas Ranjan sir.
Vikas sir.
From Vikas Ranjan, I
to Vikas Ranjan sir for giving me direct